कितना आदमी है?
Bengaluru has been significantly impacted by recent heavy rains, resulting in widespread flooding throughout the city. Roads are submerged and water has infiltrated numerous homes, causing extensive damage to property. In a related incident, a building under construction collapsed in Babusapalya due to the severe weather conditions. The structure, which was only at the first stage of construction, fell unexpectedly, raising concerns that workers may be trapped beneath the rubble.
भैया कितना गाड़ी में भैया बिल्डिंग में आदमी है? कितना आदमी है?
आदमी उसमें 5-6 आदमी दबा।
पुलिस आओ।
Emergency services, including the fire brigade, have rushed to the scene to initiate rescue operations. Efforts are underway to clear the debris and determine how many individuals are trapped as well as their condition.
छोटू कितना आदमी अंदर आदमी है?
आदमी मुझे लगता था अंदर।
कितना आदमी है?
मेरा टाइल वाला आदमी।
ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇವರೇ ನೋಡಿ.
Authorities are urging residents to remain vigilant as the rains continue to pose risks throughout the capital. Further updates on the rescue operations and the overall situation are expected as efforts progress.